Hi friends, today we talk about the SQL Server. SQL Server error we are finding all times when we connect to SQL Server instance. You see that we are putting in there SQL Server error and can't connect with the SQL Server with instance. Means when we are developers, we are trying to connect a local server. Every time we are facing that type of error all times. You see there. Yeah, that type of error we are facing all times. So how to solve this problem? Okay, so that type of error is when you connect to the local server. Every time you are facing the error. This error is just like connecting the remote server, then only one instance is created. When you are putting your username and password correct, then all times is seeing that error. So how to solve this problem? It is very easy process, but every developer is frustrated for that. How to solve this problem? So today we will talk about this error, how to solve that. So go to our steps. Firstly we go your type here for search. Just type a CMD for command prompt. Right click and run administrator. Okay, yes, yeah, services run. Okay. We go to the services, right click, run administrator. Yeah, because why we are opening the services? Actually SQL Server is just like a services. When we are all the services in here, you see that all the services in here, but don't do that only services. We put only the SQL Server because we have a problem in SQL Server. So right click and start, because there is a stop, so the services is already stopped. That's why our instance is not connected, because when we are putting the username and password, all are facing this problem for the error when we are not a services are connected. So connection string we are passing that the connection string we are passing it right, but our local server is not connected, it is stopped. So we have to start this service. When we start this service is properly working. Wait a second and you see that our services is started. You see running means its services starts. So we go our SQL Server. My SQL Server is running. SQL Server Management Studio. Actually I am working with the 2021 version, is SQL Server 2019. So it's little bit okay, is open. Now my instance is here. SQL server name means my SQL string. Okay, then we connect, so it's properly connecting. Okay, when we stop this, okay, it is stopped. So now this cross sign is here, is paused. Okay, so when I connect, is load but not connected, is already load sign in here, is bar only processing bar is there but is not connected. So that's a problem, because our services is stopped. Is a little bit time because it's not connecting. That error is showing here, the same error in here. Okay, see the same error in here is not solved. So when again we start the services, this connection is properly working. Okay, that is connected. Okay, so when we are trying to some query there, then we are properly see that is SQL is proper work or not. So when we put one database is sample database, okay, right click, new query. Okay, so let's see this is working or not. Okay, this prompt is here, new query prompt, select asterisk from system tables. So this query is, you know that its query is for retrieving all the tables within the database as a sample database. So execute query, the department employee table, two table in here, that is C here. Okay, so now for rectify this process, firstly we see the sample, sample for table and that two tables. Okay, so in normal query we are only see that is working or not. So that's a video. For any type of error you have for SQL Server, you put the comment box, return me a query for any type of error in SQL Server related. You put my comment box and I rectify that all the problems. So thank you friends, take care and keep watching and share my video for your friends and all developers. Take care.